Indian skin secrets have always shown us that everyone's favorite turmeric can address so many skin problems and leave us with healthy, glowing skin. So here are 5 of the most effective turmeric concoctions you can whip up at home that your skin will thank you for. A simple homemade face mask can transform your skin, and after all, that's what dreams are made of. This wonderful face mask includes 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix the ingredients until you have a fine paste and apply it on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off. This will brighten up your face as turmeric is the perfect ingredient to achieve this combination with milk and gram flour. The skin brightening, antimicrobial and soothing properties give you youthful, blemish-free and bright skin. On weekends when you have the time to pamper your skin and keep oily skin fresh, whip up a cool DIY body mask. Take a bowl of curd, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera and 2 tablespoons of cornmeal to it. Sprinkle some turmeric on and mix the ingredients well. Apply on areas that tend to have a different texture on your body and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water or use a warm towel to remove the mask. The hydrating properties of these ingredients will soothe the skin and keep it fresh. There's a reason turmeric is called the golden ingredient. Use it to make a paste with a few drops of milk and apply it as a mask to the area for 10 to 15 minutes. The anti-inflammatory turmeric combined with the lactic acid in milk reduces swelling. Detoxifying and maintaining oily skin is as important as following a weekly ritual that will help control and balance the skin's oil levels. Take 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a pinch of turmeric and some water. Bentonite clay is a healing clay that is enriched with minerals that heal acne-prone skin. Yogurt clears blemishes and scars, whereas turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. Mix it well till it forms a paste and then top it up with a few drops of tea tree essential oil. This oil penetrates your skin through the pores and fights acne-causing bacteria. Apply and rinse after the mask dries out. Applying turmeric milk to rashes or inflamed skin can help soothe and calm your skin. Just dip a cotton swab in the golden concoction and apply it all over your face. Being an anti-inflammatory and antiseptic powerhouse, turmeric promotes healing and brightening of the skin. All of these remedies can be easily made with what's available at home, and we hope that you give these magic turmeric recipes a try. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.